There's something undeniably satisfying about watching a hydraulic press crush everyday objects. The sheer power of the press transforms ordinary items into a cascade of fragments, each pop and crunch resonating with a sense of release. From soft foam to hard metal, the contrast in textures creates a mesmerizing spectacle. Imagine the moment a rubber ball meets the relentless force of the press. It squishes and deforms, then bursts with a satisfying splatter. Or consider the delicate sound of glass shattering, a beautiful chaos that captivates the senses. Each crush is a reminder of the fragility of materials and the unexpected beauty in destruction. As the press descends, anticipation builds, and the outcome is always a delightful surprise. It's a dance of pressure and resistance, where the laws of physics play out in real time. This isn't just about destruction, it's a celebration of transformation, turning the mundane into the extraordinary. Each clip invites you to pause, breathe, and simply enjoy the moment.